the beautiful world. Children, this is the second poem in the course book. Now we will do the workbook part for this poem, The Beautiful World. The first section here is Nurture Your Mind. The first bit A. Join the groups of words and change the spellings wherever necessary. Here we have few words given. We have to join these words with the given word in the box here. And while joining these two words, we have to take care that the spelling changes will be there. We have to join these two words and write in the space given here, making necessary spelling changes. The words given here, first let's read them. Beauty, color, delight, wonder, trace, change, live, service. We will add these words with the given small word here, and we will write the new word in the given space here, making necessary spelling changes. First is beauty plus full. The new word formed here is beautiful. We will write here beautiful. But you should observe that there are spelling changes here. For beauty plus full, we got beautiful, but here Y is removed and I is added. These are the spelling changes that we should take care. Second word is color plus full. Colorful. When we write colorful, this is the word formed COLOURFUL. So for this word there are no spelling changes. Tree, delight. Delight plus full forms delightful. DELIGHTFUL. Here also there is no spelling change. Remember, delightful spelling. Wonder plus full. Wonderful. WONDER. Wonder. FUL. Full. Wonderful. Here also, if you can observe, there are no spelling changes, and the spelling for wonderful is this one. Next, trace. For these words we have to add able. Trace plus able, traceable. And the word formed here is this one, TRACEABLE. Check the spellings for these words. Change plus able, changeable. And this is a new word formed here. CHANGEABLE, changeable. Live plus able, livable. LIVEABLE, livable. Service plus able, serviceable. SERVICEABLE, serviceable. So children, if you can observe here, only one word, there is spelling change and the remaining spellings are as it is. So for beautiful, remember the spelling. Let's read these words, new words formed here again. Beautiful, colorful, delightful, wonderful, traceable, changeable, livable, serviceable. So this is about the A bit in Nurture Your Mind. Now we will move to the next bit. B. Complete the sentences from the text of the poem. Children, here we are given few sentences, and these sentences are from the text of the poem. So from the poem we have to check and fill in these blanks. These sentences are from the poem. We have to complete these sentences from taking the text from the poem. Now let's see the first one here, the first 4 lines. This is the first paragraph, we call it. First sentence is eyes to see dash, and what do we get? The colors bright. Eyes to see the colors bright. Ears for dash, and here the sentence is music of delight. Ears for music of delight. Nose to dash, and the sentence missing here from the poem is smell the fragrant rose. Nose to smell the fragrant rose. Next one, skin to dash, and the sentence missing here is feel the breeze that blows. Skin to feel the breeze that blows. If you see in the course book, you can find these sentences in the poem. Eyes to see the colors bright. Ears for music of delight. Nose to smell the fragrant rose. Skin to feel the breeze that blows. Now we will go to the next 4 sentences. These sentences are also from the poem. Dash the world is, and here the words missing are how beautiful. How beautiful the world is. And the next sentence, dash sky above. The missing words are how blue the sky above. How blue the sky above. The next one, dash in all creation. And the missing words are God is there in all creation. The next sentence, dash in light and love. The missing words are flowing forth in light and love. So now we have written the missing words to fill in the blanks of these incomplete sentences. We will read the sentences once again. How beautiful the world is. How blue the sky above. God is there in all creation, flowing forth in light and love. Children, you can find these sentences in the poem from the course book. This is about the B bit. Now we will move to the next bit. C. Circle the names of 6 body parts from the puzzle and fill in the blanks with these names. Children, here in this puzzle we have 6 body parts. We have to identify those body parts and circle them and then write in the given blanks here. So what are those parts? Let's see. I here with my dash. So we here with our ears. E-A-R-S, ears. We will circle the word ears. E-A-R-S. I taste with my dash. We taste with our tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. We will circle the word tongue here. 3. I smell with my dash. We smell with our nose. N-O-S-E. We will circle the word nose. 4. I see with my dash. We see with our eyes. So we will circle the word eyes. E-Y-E-S, ice. Next, I clap with my dash. We clap with our hands. H-A-N-D-S, hands. I chew with my dash. We chew with our teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Now we will write these body part names in the given blanks. I hear with my ears. E-A-R-S. I taste with my tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. I smell with my nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. I see with my eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. I clap with my dash, that is hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. I chew with my teeth. T-E-E-T-H. So these are the 6 body parts, and these body part names are in this puzzle. Tongue, ears, nose, teeth, eyes, hands. So this is about the bit C. Now we will move to the next bit. D. Match the masculine gender with the feminine gender in each column. Children, here we are given 2 columns, and these are the masculine gender words. These are the feminine gender words. We have to match these masculine genders with that of their feminine genders. Now first I will read the words given here. Bull, horse, son, landlord, man, uncle, and in this column we have landlady, woman, cow, maid, aunt, daughter. Now we will match the masculine genders with their feminine genders. First, bull. The feminine gender for bull is cow. We will match bull with cow. 2. Horse. The feminine gender for horse is mare. We will match horse with mare. 3. Son. The feminine gender for son is daughter. We will match son with daughter. 4. Landlord. Feminine gender for landlord is landlady. We will match landlord with landlady. 5. Man. The feminine gender for man is woman. Man, woman. We will match man with woman. 6. Uncle. The feminine gender for uncle is aunt. We will match uncle with aunt. So now we completed matching masculine gender with feminine gender. Now let's read the masculine and feminine genders together. Bull, cow. Horse, mare. Son, daughter. Landlord, landlady. Man, woman. Uncle, aunt. So these are the masculine genders and these are their feminine genders that we matched. This is about the D bit. Now we will move to the next bit. E. Unscramble the letters given below each picture to find their names. Children, here we are given 5 pictures and the names are given here below each picture. But the names, the letters in the words are not in correct order. They are scrambled. So we have to unscramble them. Means we have to put the letters in these words in correct order and write the correct spelling of these pictures. We have 5 pictures here. First picture is, this is grass, this is dove, rose, sky, rainbow. Now here the names are given below these pictures but the letters are not in correct order of these words. For grass, the correct spelling is G-R-A-S-S, grass. This is the correct spelling. In these words you can see the letters are not in correct order. Next, number 2 is dove and the correct spelling is D-O-V-E, dove. 3 is rose and the correct spelling is R-O-S-E, rose. 4 is sky and this is the wrong spelling. The correct spelling is S-K-Y, sky. 5, this is rainbow. But the spelling here, the letters are in not correct order. We will put the letters in correct order and write R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. This is the correct spelling of rainbow. Grass, dove, rose, sky, rainbow. So this is about unscrambling the letters of these pictures given here. This is about the E bit. Now we will move to the next bit. F. God is the creator of the nature. Our nature is the most beautiful and important part of our lives. Color the scene given below and make it beautiful. Children, God is the creator of nature. Who created nature? God created nature, and nature is the most beautiful and important part of our lives. What does nature consist of? Nature consists of trees, sky, mountains, oceans, lakes, sun, moon and the stars. These are all found in nature. Now we are given a picture here. We have to color this picture. This picture is of nature. I have some colors here. I am coloring this picture with these colors. You can color this picture in your workbook with your favorite colors and make it beautiful. I am coloring this picture with these colors. I took green color for trees and grass. Then for sun I will take this orange and yellow. Then I take for the mountains, and the next we have sky, and for the tree trunks we have brown, and the flowers, tree trunk, we took one different color. So this is how the nature looks. When we color the picture, we can see different colors in the nature. You can color the picture with your favorite colors and make it beautiful. In your workbook, you have this picture where you can color this nature. With this, we finish the F bit in the poem The Beautiful World, and also this is the last bit in the workbook for this poem.